Cobrowse in Zoho Assist enables real-time, browser-based customer assistance without requiring downloads or client-side installations. In this video, we'll walk through how to configure Cobrowse and generate the widget code that your web development team can embed directly into your website. Log into your Zoho Assist account. From the top navigation, select Cobrowse and click Configure It Now to open the configuration console. You can also choose to configure from the Side tab. This page allows you to customize the Cobrowse widget. A default title and description will be provided. You can also choose to update the widget title and description to align with your branding and support context. All changes are reflected immediately in the live preview panel. Once finalized, click Save to apply the configuration. Copy the generated widget script from the deployment section. This script must be embedded into your website's source code by your development team. For advanced integrations and custom workflows, developers can leverage the Cobrowse Web SDK to build a more tailored in-app support experience. Once deployed, the Cobrowse widget becomes active and available to end users. Customers join a Cobrowse session using a 6-character alphanumeric session key. Sessions run entirely within the browser, requiring no downloads or additional client configuration. To prevent sensitive data exposure, navigate to Settings and enable blacklist elements. Here, you can define CSS selectors to mask or exclude specific UI elements such as password fields, payment information, or personally identifiable data from Cobrowse sessions. This ensures compliance with internal security policies and data protection requirements. Once configured, Cobrowse provides secure, real-time customer guidance with minimal maintenance effort. To learn more or deploy Cobrowse in your environment, try Cobrowse by Zoho Assist today.